Hi everyone, welcome to this another new trading strategy tutorial. In this video, I wanna going to show you the most profitable Heikin Ashi trading strategy system. This trading system works all kinds of platform like Forex, crypto, option and others. Also it's work very well with all of the time frame and you can apply this strategy immediately after watching this video. So let's get started. This Heikin Ashi trading system I use 3 indicator combination. 1 Heikin Ashi to 100 EMA and stochastic. So let's add the 3 indicator on my chart. So first I want to add Heikin Ashi. So simply go indicator and from here simply write here Ashi and from here I have to find out the Heikin Ashi indicator. So you can see the Heikin Ashi indicator by get here. I find it, so I simply add this Heikin Ashi indicator on my chart. So now I need 100 EMA, so I just going to write here EMA and you can see moving average exponential. This indicator I have to add on my chart as well. Okay, so third indicator is stochastic. So I again write here stochastic and you can see this indicator stochastic RSI. So I also add this indicator on my chart. Okay, so I simply close this indicator library. Now I just setting all the indicator for perfect understanding. First indicator is EMA, so I need 100 EMA. So you can see the default EMA length is 9, so I need 100, so that I simply write here 100 and I have to change the style as well. So I just change the EMA color blue to yellow for looking more clear. Okay, and also I want to change the thickness and I want to make it more bolder and save this one. So now I have to setting the stochastic, so I simply go the stochastic setting and from here the K line, so I need to change the K line color to green and also change the thickness to more bolder, and also I need to change the D line color to red and also change the thickness and make it more bolder and simply save. And the third indicator is Heikin Ashi, so I no need to do anything for this Heikin Ashi candle. The default setting is perfect for trading. So let's first introduce with the 3 confirmation. First confirmation we will receive from EMA, the second confirmation we will receive from the Heikin Ashi, and third confirmation we will get from stochastic. So first let's introduce with EMA confirmation. So when the price will stay above 100 EMA, in this time we just take long position, because when the price stay above 100 EMA it has a chance to a strong uptrend, and also when the price stay below 100 EMA, in this time we just take short position, because when the price stay below 100 EMA that means it has a chance to be a strong downtrend. So now let's introduce with Heikin Ashi confirmation. So Heikin Ashi confirmation, when you will see the first green candle, that means it has a possibility to strong uptrend, and when you see the first red candle it has a possibility to strong downtrend. But this strategy only work for trending market, and a horrible thing is that market stay trending only 30% of time and 70% of time market stay ranging. And if you trade on ranging market it's very risky, because on the ranging market the Heikin Ashi candle gives many false signal. So if you trade on ranging market it has a chance to some loss. So now let's introduce with stochastic confirmation. Stochastic has a 2 line, one is K line and one is D line. The K line is green and D line is red. So when the green K line crossing the red D line and stay above the red D line, that means going to happen a strong uptrend. And also when the red D line crossing the green K line and the red D line stay above the green K line, that means it's going to happen a strong downtrend. So this is the uptrend and downtrend confirmation from the stochastic RSI. So let's see how you can take long or short position with 3 indicator confirmation and combination. So in this chart you can see right now price is above 100 EMA. So we just take long position. So the first confirmation is done, and the second confirmation you can see also the Heikin Ashi candle color is green. It's a second confirmation. And third confirmation you can see the green line don't crossing the red line. When the crossover happened, we get the third confirmation from stochastic. So wait and let's see what's happened. So you can see the crossover is happened. So we get 3 confirmations. So this is strong buy signal. If I see the price is going to be up. Let's go with another example. In this chart you can see price is above 100 EMA. So first confirmation is done, and also the Heikin Ashi candle color is green. The second confirmation also done, and you can also see the stochastic green line crossing the red line. So we get the 3 confirmation. So it's another strong buy signal. And if I see the price is going to up, and it's count as another successful trade. So now let's go with sell signal. In this chart you can see the price is below 100 EMAs. Now we just take short position, and also the Heikin Ashi candle is red. Okay, so first and second confirmation is done, and also you can see the red candle trying to crossing the green candle. We just waiting for see what's happened. After few minutes you can see the red candle successfully crossing the green candle. So we get the 3 confirmation. So now we just take short position because it's a strong sell signal. And if I see, you can see the price is going to down. So it's a count as another successful trade. So let's go with another example. In this chart price is below 100 EMA. So we get the 1 confirmation for take short position, and also the Heikin Ashi candle is red, and also the stochastic red line successfully crossed the green line. So we get 3 confirmation. That means it's another strong sell signal. So if I see, you can see the price is go down and count as another successful trade. So now let's introduce with the exit strategy. And the exit strategy is, so in this chart you can see the price is below 100 EMA, and also the Heikin Ashi candle is red, and the red line successfully crossing the green line. So we get 3 confirmation. That means it's going to happen a strong downtrend. So we just take short position here, and the stop loss will be last swing high, and the profit target will be 1.5%. So if I see, you can see the price is successfully hit our target, and it's count as another successful trade. So let's say another example. So the price is above 100 EMA, and also the Heikin Ashi candle is green, and the stochastic green line successfully crossing the red line. So we get 3 confirmation, and price is above 100 EMA. That means it's going to happen a strong uptrend. So we just going to take a long position. So we just set the stop loss and last swing low, and the profit target will be 1.5%. So if I see, the price is successfully hit our profit target, and it's count as another successful trade. So let's introduce with another exit strategy. So if you have risk management knowledge, you can avoid target, and you can see the trade is going very up. So if you want more profit, you can avoid the profit target. So it's sometimes very risky. So without risk management knowledge, you should not use this exit strategy. So if you really love this trading system, you can give a like on this video, Your like will motivate me to discover new profitable trading system. And if you have any question, you can comment below. Also, if you want to get more useful tutorial like this, you can subscribe the channel. So as always, thanks for watching.